Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security alert settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this. Now click settings and privacy, and now click settings and privacy. Click security. Now here you will find the security alerts. Click on it, and here as you see that's how to find the security alerts, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.